So let's just jump right into the dirty Laundries lawyer, Stephen Bertolino. He's a New York attorney who seems to be the mouthpiece for the Laundries. And now the news is that the Petito family is going after him. Well, many people are doubting the legality of them naming the Laundries lawyer as a defendant or a possible witness. The three words come to my mind: conflict of interest. Bertolino is not only a family friend of 24 years, he is a business partner in multiple real estate deals and a partner in businesses. So the question would be, was he representing the Laundries or was he representing his interest in the businesses? That's a conflict of interest. Brian was named CEO of a business that Bertolino has a potential stake in. Conflict of interest, right? Bertolino is not licensed in Florida. That reality makes him more of a consultant. And the legality of him having lawyer-client privilege could come into question. So why would he even be representing clients who were not formally charged with anything at the time, right? I'm not really into conspiracy theories. I doubt that I'll ever see Elvis at Burger King or hear on the news that JFK has really passed away in an institution. However, I have many, many doubts as what happened to Brian Laundrie. If I were in the position of the Petitos, I'd be investing some of those court winnings into independent DNA tests from the family, not from evidence taken from the laundry house. So I question that. I'd have forensic findings and more independent tests run. For those people who question, can you buy body parts? Yes, legally you can. If you jump right on it, you may even be able to have a skull or skeletal remains before Christmas. You never know. Check it out. Were the Laundries preparing to get Brian out of Florida or even out of the country? Well, if there's any proof of that, then that makes them 100% guilty of knowing his horrendous crime, killing Gabby. Was that camper really purchased to use just one time? Not likely. And why did Chris not have all the funds to go get the camper until the week Brian flew home? Yes, that really happened. He put a deposit on it, didn't have the full price, and had to come back. Why was Chris Laundrie's truck, the one we always see, spotless, covered in mud, as if it went off-road? 2 days prior to Brian supposedly reported missing. You can see it in one of Brian Enton's news videos. You can see the mud on the truck. If that isn't weird enough, on that same day that there was mud on the truck, he also had a Carfax report for a badly damaged wheel. It's a truck. He had to have taken that truck off-road. But why would Chris Laundrie take a truck off-road? Was it to take Brian somewhere to disappear? I hope the Petitos are fulfilling my wish list for this case. And every one of these aspects are checked out. This is their fight for justice. They may not have won the fight for Gabby, but they are winning the justice war. Bravo, Petitos. Bravo.